Hello students, let us solve JEE Mains 2025 session 1 question. So, this question came on 22nd January shift 1. This question suggests that here one battery is there 0.9 volt with this one variable resistance is there. So, potentiometer wire is there and we are fluctuating it. So, when it is at the midpoint, what will be the current in the branch? What will be the current in the circuit? So, this is the question. So, whenever this wire is having 1 ohm resistance, since the point is at the midpoint, so half resistance will be this side, half resistance will be this side. If I redraw this circuit, the circuit will look like, so one 0.9 ohm volt battery is there and here 2 resistance will be there. Why 2 resistance? Because this is nothing but at the midpoint. What is the resistance? 0.5, 0.5. Because 1 is the net resistance and we are dividing into 2 equal parts. Down one more resistance is there, that is 2 ohm. So, now net resistance I should calculate so that we will get the current. How to calculate the net resistance? Since these 2 resistance are parallel, so net resistance of this I should calculate, that is 2 into 0.5 divided by 2 plus 0.5, right. So, the net resistance of this will be 2 into, so it will be nothing but 1 divided by 2.5. If I solve, this 10 will go 2 times 5 times. So, this is 0.4 ohm. Net resistance of this is 0.4 ohm. So, again if I redraw this circuit 0.4, 0.5. So, this is 0.4 ohm, 0.5 ohm. So, this is 0.9 volt. Current I want. How to calculate the current? Definitely current will be here. So, how to calculate the current? I will be nothing but V upon R equivalent. How much is the V? 0.9 volt. How much is the current? So, since both resistance are in series, I can add it 0.4 plus 0.5, 0.9. So, 1 ampere, 0.9 divided by 0.9, 1 ampere current will be flowing in this branch. Definitely if they are asking in this branch and in this branch, that current will be separately. Since they are asking in the main branch, hence the answer to this question will be 1 ampere. Thank you.